This game mode is going to be a attack and defend. Your objective is to attack that mound up there, which is called Hamburger Hill.
I'm gonna walk. Until I get shot.
I'm gonna get shot from here. So. Whatever.
We all still alive?
Where's that from, Lou?
Oh, what the f*** kids? I've just been shot by a ricochet.
There's one at the bottom of this top.
Well, one's got past.
You're behind the car now.
Hit.
This is weird because I've got direct comms with the enemy. Sorry. Got one. I heard him last night say fit birds.
Say fit birds.
I'd never hear him say anything like that, and he was like, said to me, oh, I had to stop drinking before I started speaking to everyone. There's loads of fit birds.
Mate, no full auto.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hit.
Right, I'm just going to go into this one in front of you. Thank you! Lou, you can come to this one.
Oh god, that moves.
There's one in the little like kill hole underneath the mesh.
What, where the marker said?
Yeah, what just beneath that there's like a little kill hole, there's one in there. There's two in that little kill hole.